fi cook up at me not fi depend for no one. No fi seize up me meat with me time and scallion. With a little sweet pepper, couple slice of onion, and not touch a garlic. Chat up at the me.
Come on guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. So we got long when we put up a video, but we're back again now. Got a little treat for one. Tell us how we're making chakra.
Well, as you see here, this is breadfruit already cut and washed. Also peeled. We will be making here a breadfruit cake for you all. I know it has been long, we haven't put up a video. They have reclaiming us about it, but due to some problem that we had, family problem, it was kind of difficult. But Cooking with Greg is back again, and I hope you all enjoy. Remember, it's always delicious. Subscribe and give us that like and follow us. For the breadfruit cake, what we'll be making, this is what we'll be using. This is one breadfruit, medium breadfruit, full. Then we have 1 stick of butter. We have here 2 pounds of sugar. Now remember, I always say sugar you put to your gusto, your taste. We have also 1 pound of flour. Here we have 1 pound of flour, and we will be using, as usual, 2 milk. Okay, 2 Eskimo milk,
2 quart.
Liquid 2. Let's make it 1 quart. We do have here vanilla. We will put a stick of salt, you know, the butter, and nutmeg. Also, we'll be using nutmeg in it also. So the first thing we'll begin doing will be put this breadfruit to boil. I usually boil the breadfruit with a couple cinnamon stick in it. So we'll put a few little stick for it to boil. You know, that would bring it flavor, you know, make it get the flavor. Alright? So we will put the breadfruit to boil now, okay? Here we go, let's wait for it to boil.
How long that boil now, Chaka?
Until it's soft.
Until it's soft, for you know it's soft, Chaka?
We'll take a fork and see and we'll see machine, okay?
Alright then.
Remember, delicious.
Alright, see? So you think soft? Strike one, kasi? Okay.
Yeah.
Ready like Freddy then, eh?
Just like now what we want to do is taking it out and make it cool a little. People like say everything we blend it, we got to blend it. Keep following us. We'll make a pumpkin cake. Also we'll be making mango fresco. We know how to cook up long time and gone until you wait till I come back. Put it up.
Which water is it, Chaka? What water looks so dirty?
This is what we boil it with. That's how it went looking up there. You see the can with the cinnamon, and we boil it, so we're using some of the water as well. Well, I'm blending it and I'm showing you where it's going.
But this look like the breadfruit pop.
And you got to blend it, then you fix it up for bake it, brother man. Who don't know about breadfruit cake, learn this one. And if you make it another way, don't worry. Once it come out, the breadfruit cake is a breadfruit cake. Every chef make a thing their own way. And this is the way that Wendell Alexander alias Chef Shakam Shambalang do this.
People who can't cook say that, they make it their own way, just for no feel, say, for no feel bad when they come out bad. They hot it, then beat it. Okay. Why not just buy candle and pulver? Why not just buy... Well, what it look like after? Breadfruit cake, Chaka style. Let me see how everybody do it.
Al estilo Shakam Shambalang. Chef Shakam on the line again.
No, here, Chef Shambalang. So we use the whole quarter milk.
Use the whole quarter.
Oh, you just okay then.
A little bit of rum.
See the dearest rum we got.
Let us add a little flour now on the flour. We have baking powder to this, okay? That's one of them. And that's two of them, okay? Now we got to stir it so it can mix up with the breadfruit. Make sure we stir it good so you don't have any lump. So we just put a pound of flour to one breadfruit. And if we need to add any more, if it's too thin, then we just add very little more flour until it reach to the point that we want it to.
You have to preheat it for how much minutes? 15, 10?
10 minutes.
10 minutes? Okay, good. Maximum 330. What are you do?
To grease the pan that I will be baking the breadfruit cake. Delicious. Estamos haciendo una torta de fruta de pan. Exquisito. Boss Jose. Hey, you know,
Saludos, José.
Saludos, José Hernández, my boss. Sabe, Yader también y a los demás. Hey, never forget about Webster, right? Saludos a usted también, boss. But hey, how I almost forget Roberto, you always did. Roberto, you always did fun in my channel, okay? Her channel. So this is a bread cake, torta de fruta de pan. Keep in tune with us, man. Delicious. So put like on the chicken on our YouTube on it.
I like it.
Yeah, I'll put up five of that.
That's the problem.
Just get anything turned on.
So the cake done now. Yes, guys.
Thing right wrong here.
No, that nobody have a wound to use.
Delicious.
So this is what happened after the cake. This is what happened when the cake done. See man line off now for eat. Behind the scenes. Behind the scenes. You're looking the biggest one.
Guys, son, come, move.
You're gonna find the biggest one. And see what happened behind the scenes.
Guys, son, from here. Anyone of them, please.
How am I thinking of cake?
So we cook this because it's Kenny's birthday. That's why I didn't eat in this. Can I beg this? It's a heavy request. Got 34 years. Can you say something to the camera now? But anyway, that's Kenny. That's Javon. And that's Donnell. Huh? How you do it? You enjoy your birthday meal, Kenny? Kenny, I just want if you enjoy your birthday meal. You're a happy guy? Fun guy?
No.
How your party birthday, Kenny? Want a cake? So you make breadfruit cake, how you can? Happy birthday, bro. Love you here.
Come over, good, what you say? Buy the buy, no, buy this, buy. Give us no comment. That's what we want, you all comment. And if you can make it better, try it out and we will share it also. We will make it the way. Just send us the way that you got to make it and we will make it for the public.
And it's who mass chaka kernel, what are you talking about? See her behind the scenes, see what going on behind the scenes. She have one best guy in what eat. Anyway, I'm just joking.
Well, no, take out the point and go.
But why? I put 277. So, but when you gonna give me 100, I get another 100 and it's confusing me, man. You can't cope with that. Confusing me. How you confusing? If you're not gone, I had. What's up? Listen to me.
Man, like that red thing, boy.
Ah, so you are tape then?
Man, tape.